friends. How is it going? I hope you're doing well. Our lesson for today will be about
how to say hello in different ways in English. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Their use depends on the time of day. Hey. Hey. Or, hey there. Hey there. What's up? What's up? Or, sup? Sup? What's new? What's new? What's happening? What's happening? Yo. Yo. Or, yo, what's good? Yo, what's good? Howdy. Howdy. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. We use them in the formal situations, for example, with teacher, in job interview. And, hey. Hey there. What's up? Sup? What's new? What's happening? Yo, what's good? And howdy. We use them in the casual or informal situations, for example, with friends, family, etc.
That's all for today. I hope you found this lesson useful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next lesson. Bye!